Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Audio Capture using Loopback, I'm going to show you how you can dump Voicemeeter and start recording Windows audio all through Eclipse. It's possible that your device does not support Loopback. If you have any trouble using this feature, just give tech support a call and we'll help you out. First, I'm going to go to Eclipse. I'll go to my user settings, to the real-time tab, and I'm going to click on audio recording. In the audio recording window, the first thing I want to do is click on levels. And I'm going to go to the playback tab, and I'm going to select the speaker that I'd like to listen to. So whichever device I'm going to play a Windows sound through is the device I'm going to select, and I'll double click on it, and then go to Advanced. And I'm going to uncheck the exclusive mode options. And I'm going to, if available, select 16-bit at 48,000 kilohertz. I'll press Apply and OK. And next, in the Wave audio recording window, first I'm going to select the correct device, which is going to be the Loopback device that identifies as my speaker. If I look down in my advanced driver devices, you see that I have a bunch of Loopback options. I have a Loopback option for each of my compatible devices. I'm going to select the same speaker Loopback option, my headset, and next I'm going to make sure that I'm using PCM at 16,000 kilohertz 16-bit. Next, I'm going to add 2 channels. This will change channel 0 to the mix channel, and will change channel 1 and 2 to the input channels. It's important that you have both of these inputs available, otherwise you won't be able to correctly record audio from Windows. Next, I'll press OK, and I'm going to open a sample job to begin recording. I'll call it Recording Test, and I'm going to hit the record button at the top. And you see that as I speak, nothing is bouncing in my waveform display. And that's because right now it's waiting for my computer to hear sound. As soon as I join a Zoom meeting, or as soon as I hit play on a practice video.
Good afternoon. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. If you'll come on up here and have a seat in the witness stand, make yourself comfortable.
And so you see Eclipse was able to record that audio because my computer was able to hear it. And now I can play back the same audio.
Good afternoon. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. If you'll
And so you see that audio came in and recorded in Eclipse loud and clear. And just like all other audio recorded in Eclipse during real time, it will automatically sync with anything that you write or utter in voice writing. As I said, there may be Windows settings that you need to change, and some devices may not be compatible with this system. So if you have any trouble, please just give us a call at 772-288-3266. As always, email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.